2000 Ripper, baby. Let's go.
Thing's as old as you.
So we're here at the first round of the FTR Hair Scramble Series, Bartow CFTR. Kind of running around. It's a little bit different from old FTR vlogs. I'm actually racing on Saturday. As you know, these bikes take a lot of maintenance, and I have to do some before I ride.
Can you tell us what all you have to do to it?
Well, I definitely need to check the power valve because I don't think something's right with the power valve. And then I got to put numbers on it. So we got 328. 28 was taken. Colton McLeod.
Closed. Closed. Open. Wow, he's got that one timed right. There it is.
Nothing
See,
like some last minute changes, right?
You want that to just go like that. See how that just pushes on?
Okay.
You're not picking it up.
Yep. So practice is about to start. I haven't really been attentive to the vlog, but today is just pre-modern day. Nothing serious, just going to have fun. But yeah, practice is gonna start in 5 minutes. I got dressed in time, surprisingly. We're gonna start this baby up, see if she's running crisp. All good, I think. Man, it's been a project in the making, to say the least. A little bit of test and tuning. Bike rips though, it's pretty fun. It's a little lean, so I gotta richen it out a little bit. Yeah. You don't have to do none of this stuff on a 4-stroke.
You got your cow? Yeah?
Race time. First race on the 2000 KTM 250. She's gonna purr like a kitten. She sits a little taller than my modern bike.
Go, buddy, go! Good job, dude.
That's fun.
Was it?
What up? What are you guys up to?
Oh, this kid was lost. I kicked it over him like this.
How'd you guys do?
I got first, but they DNF'd me to Jesse. I got 40 and 65 lead.
Heck yeah, dude. So it's Sunday morning. We got a lot of rain last night, which is super good. Makes the track really good. We got to still sign up, but I wanted to show you guys. Look at that guy. Yeah. So practice is done. Track is super sick. It's got like some hard pack, some sand, some ruts. It'll be pretty good. Right now we're watching the morning race coming through. We're at this little mud hole, so it's gonna be pretty slick. I almost crashed here in practice, actually, fun fact. So not that I want anyone to crash, but we're gonna be here with the video camera just in case someone does. Whoa! Am I running late?
A little bit. Are we surprised?
Nope. It's almost like mandatory now that I'm running late.
Yeah. Really like to add some stress to the situation.
It gets my heart rate pumping.
It's raining. Go, buddy, go! Go, 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 go! Go, Jess, go!
Go, Jess, get him! That was a race. New style, FTR, 2 hours when the checkered flag comes out, so raced for quite a bit. I didn't really get into the lead until like lap 3 or 4 when it counted, and then just made it count. Just rode a smooth race. Tried to save my goggles and stuff. I had to pull my goggles off, which I'm not a big fan of, but I absolutely had to. So got some fresh goggles in the pit, hammered down, and got the dub. So we went 1-1 on the weekend. I can finally say that PreMod #1, AA #1. Let's go check out what this overall trophy looks like.
Did you toss it?
I don't remember the play, but
Awesome.
my parents forgot to
Look at that.
It's a bitchin' bag.
So I had a fresh set of goggles on and then
Thank you, guys.
Oh wait, hold on. You
I forgot to.